So if you're following me in Nigeria, you know that I've been doing a challenge at the moment. I'm trying to take a 5K account to 10K. Hold on, this setup is about to start cooking, I think. Oof. Decent entry, I would say. Decent entry. I'm liking this trade a lot. This trade, promising trade for sure. Volume is looking good already, just because we've got multiple confluences stacking on this. Fair play. Fair play. I was not wrong. Already about to hit one now. Okay then. Hold on now. Hold on now. Boom. Alright. Stop spin move to break. Can't lie, this is clean. Very, very clean. This video might be 2 minutes long, but it's looking. We're about to hit 2R right now. So the aim of this is to take this challenge slow and steady, super safe. You know, I'm trying to do this as realistic as possible for anyone else who wants to kind of replicate this challenge. You're not risking 10%, you're not risking, 16% per trade. Just very slow, steady, smooth P&L. That's kind of the aim of this. And now that break-even has been set, TP has been set, we're actually chilling, right? Like now, don't need to do anything else. I'm just leaving this to cook, but do follow along. I'm not gonna post a live video. I'm not gonna post a long video every single time for every trade, but most of the trades will be posted on my Instagram at Securities Advice. So follow me on there, watch my story, you see most of it. The aim is to get us to as close to 10K. Might not get to 10K, but should be able to, hopefully by the end of this month. Just because I'm playing it safe and I'm going with good risk management, trying to, 3K profit, risking 1 to 2% is kind of crazy in a month. But it's just to show you that it's possible to be slow, to slowly grow an account, no matter what the account is. So this rejection right now, I'm not too mad at it. After that pump, price has to breathe a little bit. So I'm not too mad at it, to be honest. And real quick, are you looking for your next prop firm to get funded? Now stop all the guessing, stop all the searching. Let me tell you one place that you can find every prop firm, find all the discounts, all your comparisons, so you can pick the #1 prop firm that suits you the best. Now Prop Firm Match is an amazing platform that I use, that is dear to my heart, that helps every single trader to compare every single prop firm. So you can compare all the rules all in one place, see what platform they use, see what discounts are available. Every hidden rules and stuff that they try to use to sometimes catch you out is all there, all in one place. So this is where you can now finally make that decision to choose one prop firm that suits you the best based on how you trade, based on your psychology. So make sure you check out Prop Firm Match. There will be a link in the description of this video. Be sure to check them out. And thanks to Prop Firm Match for sponsoring this video. I'm going to show you the analysis on this trade so you guys can kind of understand why I took it. It's the same bread and butter that I take anyway, same usual trade every single time. This just happens to be cooking like this. Very early in the morning as well, man. That's what I like the most. Very early in the morning. So I'll be done literally trading in less than an hour being on the charts. So close to TP, man. So close, so close, so close. Any retracement that happens now, imagine we go back and hit break even, I'll be tight. But at the same time, I'm not too fast, right? Because that's what comes with taking some profits. You feel a lot better and it makes your P&L curve a lot smoother. So as long as you're winning often, the wins just compounds, to be honest. But I expect this to go a lot higher though. Expect this to go a lot higher. Because we have a 15-minute confluence, EMA is right there, everything is just in the right place. Price action, market structure, all in the right place. Like this is one of those setups that you call the perfect setup. Literally couldn't improve anything else at all. There we go, TP here, let's go. So here's the trade right now. You can see it's even cooking at the moment, but that's on the M3. So you can see price eventually retrace and it's still cooking up. But let me show you again exactly what I saw beforehand. Initially, I hopped on the chart at pretty much 8 a.m., right? And I saw this demand zone right here. I saw this demand zone right here on the M3. This demand zone right here on the M3, and we have the M5 below it, right? And then if you go to the M15, you will see that this overall setup right here, so pretty much the whole package is a M15 setup. So now it's about taking something within it. So I know something within this price is going to hold at some point within this 15-minute zone. Just don't know where or when. So I looked at the M3. I didn't take the M3. In fact, I was right for not taking the M3. Because if you know, for my other videos that I've taught in terms of fair value gaps, every other video that I've made, if you haven't seen those, watch them. Every single one is useful, trust me. You will see that these two are kind of close. I wasn't taking a risk on this one. So price would have given you an entry, stopped you out. So you'd have lost that trade. So I avoided that trade. I literally sent it to the Discord group and I deleted it and told them not to take that one anymore, because then I realized there's an M5 setup right below it. So I sent this M5 setup in instead. You can see this candle didn't close in, beautiful. The next candle didn't close in, beautiful. That when you see those two things happen, tap twice, didn't close in, and then you have an M15 on top of that, right? And then you have price just forming high highs on top of that. Come on, that combination there is deadly. EMA's below, everything is right there. Entry was set, and as you guys saw, we got the entry real quick. One candle almost took us straight to 1 or 2, but then the second candle did it. And now price is currently, and now price is kind of just playing around. So we weren't too greedy in the setup, right? It took my 2 and I was done, bro. That's it. Right now it's playing around. I don't want to be there when it's playing around. So if you do want to take these trades with me as well, I'll leave a link in the description. Join the Discord group as well, and you can take them with me. So we'll continue along our way.